Hi there, now let me teach you how to fix incoming call not showing on iPhone. First I want you to do is please make sure you're connected to a cellular network. How can we do that? By the home screen, you should see on the top left three bars or three icons that says you're connected. As you can see here, mine is recording, screen recording, so it won't show, but let me try and pulling this control center if it will show. There you go. On the top left, you can see actually 4 bars of signal. And it says TM, that should be my network. If you don't have anything like that on your end, then I need you to check on your signal that you're connected to a cellular network. That should fix your problem. And then, if that doesn't work for your end, then go to settings. How can we go to settings? Just look for this icon right here. And then once you're in settings, I want you to check on notifications. It should be this one right here. I'm just gonna highlight it and hold it for a while. Now once you're in notifications, I want you to check this one right here, messages. And if it says allow notifications, then it should be set. If it's not toggled, please toggle it. And then the next one, it should be phone. It should be this one. Again, same as messages. Please make sure this button right here is toggled. Once you make sure that's okay, I want you to finally check on FaceTime. Again, just make sure it's toggled. Now since we already did that, the 3 parts of notifications toggled, we made sure they're okay. That should fix your problem. But however, if it's still persisting, I wish that you should do this as well. You should check DND or do not disturb if it's on. How can we check that? Just open your control center, swipe up or swipe down. It should be this one right here. As you can see, mine is on do not disturb, and technically I won't be receiving any phone calls if this is on. How to turn it off? Just click on it. If it's not highlighting, that means it's not turning on. However, I'm gonna put mine on DND, and there you go. That should fix your problem 90% by this time. However, I have one more solution for you if it's not working. I want you to go to General, still on settings, okay? General, software update, and from here just wait for it to load. Make sure you have the latest version of iOS installed on your iPhone. So that should fix all of your problems. I mean, after doing all of those steps, that should fix your problem where you don't have any notifications on incoming call. So that's how you fix incoming call not showing on iPhone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.